You are going to love the 2025 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, panoramic roof, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, power lift gate, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.